Each consultant's story is different, and yours will be too. That's what makes our Thermomix business opportunity so unique. We empower thousands of passionate and talented individuals to take their careers into their own hands.
I started my Thermomix business because I wanted a lifestyle that allowed me to earn an income and be the mum that could show up for her child.
Because I was an absolute raving fan of the Thermomix.
To earn my machine and to get a Thermomix in our family kitchen.
Some of the biggest achievements in my Thermomix business be earning the incentive trips.
I've been running my business for 2 years.
My biggest achievement is becoming a full-time Thermomix consultant and team leader in just 6 months.
So what I love most about being a consultant is I'm super passionate about healthy food. Like, that's my jam.
Through starting my Thermomix business, I learned that the generosity and support of Thermomix is unlike anything else.
So I have earned 2 Thermomixes, a black and a white.
I earned this.
I earned this.
And these!
No matter why you start or what keeps you here,
We all have this in common.
We use our Thermomix.
Every day.
Where does your story begin in our business of serious enjoyment? Check out how easy it is to get started. The only thing to do now is to say yes. Say yes to a chat. You never know where it might take you.